Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to activate your CIBC Costco MasterCard. First, open your web browser and search for CIBC Costco MasterCard Login. Click on the CIBC online banking link. Enter your Costco MasterCard number and password to log in. If you are new, click Register Now to create a new account. Once logged in, look for the Costco credit card option in your account. Click on it to activate your card. And that's it. Your CIBC Costco MasterCard is now active and ready to use. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.